What is up, you guys? So TikTok has this new sticker called the ass sticker. And what you want to do first, if you want to know how to use it, which I will show you in minutes. What you want to do first is go to your TikTok, open up to your profile and hit the plus. And when your TikTok has been recorded, all you have to do is hit the plus sign, go to your stickers, and you should see on the second row where it says ask, click post one already, which I will show you how it works. To get it to work, first thing first is you click on the sticker, and to answer the questions, if you see anyone else that has this, you could put answer with video, or you could view more answers to see who else has posted. And I just posted this, so obviously I don't have nothing. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe.